Thank you.
Thank you, my professor. We appreciate.
Basala okukolagana ne Vision Group kubanga bayina emikutu mingi ejja TV, ejja radio, ate Vision Group bwogiwa ekintu ekikwata ku mawulire bakiwandiika mu butuufu bwakyo nga bwe kiri, era twalabye nti tujja kukolagana bulungi ne Vision Group mu kaweefube ono bwe twakwasibwa Church of Uganda ng'abategesi b'olunaku lw'abajulizi mu mwaka guno.
On behalf of the Vision Group, we really want to congratulate Uganda Christian University for having been chosen to organize this year's commemoration at the Anglican site. I'm sure this is because this can be attributed to your aspiration for excellence and spiritual integrity. Your planning and taking the lead obviously honors the sacrifice of our martyrs. As Vision Group, we're excited to be a part of this organization and celebration. And Vice Chancellor, again, we really want to appreciate Uganda Christian University for having chosen us to be the lead media partner on this.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.